Okay, let's look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tools over here. That's going to change the complete facet of, say, artificial intelligence in corporate companies. The future of work is something you're going to look at right here. But I want to add some more stuff to that. I like to say that typically it starts off with X.ai. It can even go to a VR office, right? So I want to add one more stuff which I forgot to add here. It's called vSpatial. Correct. I'll explain that to you at the end. I'm going to explain vspatial.com, right? And even they have mobile VR desktops, so it's kind of a virtual office. I'll explain to that later. Save the great stuff for later, in fact, right? So let's start with X.ai. X.ai is your AI software that's going to in fact, solve the hassle of scheduling meetings and appointments, right? X.ai is your ultimate scheduler that's going to solve all those, processes or problems, right, that you face when you schedule meetings and appointments, because it's going to work. It's going to automatically use Amy plus Andrew, right? Amy and Andrew, both of them are AI assistants. They understand natural language, right? So they'll be able to help you set up meetings with your clients, correct? Schedule them instantly, book conference rooms, let you set up meetings according to your time zones, correct? They'll be able to follow up. They'll be able to negotiate meetings. They'll be able to always do a lot of great technologies. In fact, they'll be able to, prepare for the greatest and greatest of meetings that you are going to, be. And it's going to be like kind of a coffee time, but in fact, it's going to be like of a coffee time with an AI robot and actually with your client for that matter, right? So the greatest technologies are still in your computer screen right now. X.ai, you can always take a free trial from them and look at tremendous amount of great technologies that you can always use, right? They have a calendar page, they have a personalization AI assistant and all this stuff. You'll look at that later. Soapbox.ai. What is Soapbox? Soapbox is your smart service management platform, right? It's better. It's going to deliver better IT and HR and other enterprise functions, right? So it uses artificial intelligence for augmentation and automation, and it's going to be pretty good in terms of using natural language processing. This is going to be a virtual agent too, right? So it's pretty good. It's kind of Soapbox for the best, because it's able to observe, learn, augment, and automate everything from scratch. Soapbox.ai for your workflow automations, platforms, and machine learning. In fact, this is the best for your customer, service or whatever they call it. This is the best of its kind. Also available in the market. Let's move on to the next one. It's called, give me a minute. It's called Octane. They call it Octane AI for that matter. It is only for Shopify merchants who are able to increase revenue with kind of a Facebook Messenger that your customers are going to love, right? So you'll be able to make sales with Facebook Messenger, and this is kind of a chatbot kind of thing. Even abandoned cart messages, like people who are purchasing products and they haven't suppose purchased the products, it can send out automatically messages, answer questions, set up custom campaigns, and you'll be able to help you. It will be able to help you to track revenue and customer behavior for the results for that matter. It's able to create a great automation flow as you make it, and win back messenger campaigns, they call it, right? Win back the customer, win back whatever they're getting, whatever you are going to get, whatever they're going to get, everything. It comes in between them, right? So it's pretty good. OctaneAI.com, Octane AI, right? The platform has a lot of technologies like pop-ups, cart recovery, answer questions, follow-up messages, messenger ads, integrations, and all this stuff. Let's move on. Capio.ai, the next generation speech technology. It is useful it's a death of transcription industry. That means, or you can call it the next revolution in transcription for the matter, if you want to say some stuff positively. Right. So deep learning technologies, which is able to automatically transcribe with AI technology. This is going to be kind of the great state-of-the-art stuff. Let me always look at the demo. I'll have to sign in again for the demo. You try it, guys. Today you got to try out Capio.ai, how it can automatically transcribe. You got to try out. That is kind of your assignment of the day. You try it out. Capio, it's pretty good. I'll have to sign in here. That's why I'm not trying it out. Data robot, the next one. This is complete automation for machine learning, guys, right? So those machine learning, so first we kill the HRs, we kill the the customer support. Okay, I'm just kidding. Don't think it's time for machine learning now. See, we didn't kill. Actually, AI, what it does is it helps people. And talking about positive, in a positive way, in a positive method, please think that AI is going to always help at the end of the day. But as I said, humans and AI have to go hand in hand together. That will actually, create a great difference, guys. See, with data robot and old way of traditional machine learning, see the difference. Right, this is the old way: structuring data sets, importing data, pre-processing, model assessment, collecting new data, deployment, everything. The old way is very tedious and time consuming, whereas a new way with data robot, it's going to be drag and drop, automatically build and evaluate thousands of models, and monitor and manage all the deployed models and data sets. That's it. It's completely driving innovation for data analysts, data scientists, executives, software engineers, and IT professionals. Data robot can create a huge ding in the universe with automated machine learning. This is going to be the state of the art stuff. If you're a data scientist, you're going to go completely insane with the technology, right? So that is about data robot. Next is Ray, or what do we call it? So this is Ray. What it's going to do is it's going to work like a human assistant. It's going to find candidates for your job. It can even help to create and send messages to them. It's kind of a recruiting bot that is smart, that is connected, that is aware, that is learning, but it sends out messages to your candidates automatically, and it'll search for the candidates in any location, search in any language. It's going to ask questions. It's going to put them into a bucket. This is what actual hiring professional does, guys. Ray is gonna be the state of the art, hiring professional for you. You have appointed Ray. Don't worry about anything at all from now on. Next, Presence.ai. Presence.ai is going to help B2B customers. Where you'll be able to replace those calls, guys. We'll be able to replace the calls with text. Right, it'll be able to customers book in a few text messages. Customers love text messages. You can save hours spent on the phone. Correct? Your AI text to book, confirm, reschedule, answer questions. Instant answers. Automate the recurring tasks like sending booking reminders, confirmations, thank you note, surveys, and more. Instant answers. Everything, guys. This is kind of a great booking system. Right? Kind of a great booking system for that matter, right? It's using the power of texting to create a difference. That's about it, right? Let's move on. Smith.ai. Receptionist service for live calls and website chat. This is also a virtual receptionist that can do a live website chat and create a difference. Next. AI, you note down these tools, guys. Smith.ai, please note down. Presence.ai, hello.hiringsol.com, datarobot.com, kpo.ai, octaneai.com, soapbox.ai, x.ai. Okay, let's move on to okay, not Kodat. I was in Smith. Smith is your receptionist, guys. This you know it, right? It'll be able to automatically do a website chat, capture leads, book new clients, and all this stuff in your website. It's a US-based receptionist for the matter. Let's move on. Kodota. This is going to be the ultimate next thing for Java developers. I don't want to say the death of Java developers. I can just say it will help Java developers because it's going to automatically write the code on autocomplete. You'll be able to write lines of code and millions of Java programs by drag and drop. Simple as that. This is going to be people who wanted to learn code, learn code, learn code. This will help you to complete the code, guys. Complete the lines of code. You'll be able to find the code examples in a click. You'll be able to make sure it stays private. You'll be able to complete the code and code faster, reduce errors, follow standards, or whatever it is. There's going to be the state-of-the-art Codata. Also, Zenbo is going to be launched very soon now. So Zenbo is going to be a small little companion. It is going to do a lot of things. You can use it for developing apps. You can sign up as a developer for Osis here, and then see what happens is you can create apps for Zenbo, right? And you can even create business apps for Zenbo. You can create a hell lot of things. It's a very good robot. And it's very cheapest robot that I think so. It's very good. They have a mini Zenbo also. They have a mini Zenbo coming up. So this is also pretty good. When it launches in India, I'll be the first to take it. It's called Zenbo Junior. Zenbo Junior. That was kind of a tongue twister. It can move, it can see, it can speak, it can hear, it can think, it can connect, it can learn, it can express various emotions. Robotic education. Welcome to the stage at Digital India with zenbo.osis.com. The state-of-the-art technology is here. Right? Let's move on. vSpatial, the finals. We have arrived. If you have come here to vSpatial.com, you must have seen the complete course. You are a genius, my dear friend, because vSpatial.com, the future is here. You got this last example. There's going to be the skyrocketing example of the decade. vSpatial.com, the workplace of the future is here. The vSpatial workspace, right? This is going to be your office on steroids. Simple as that, right? Change the future of that can change the future of technology altogether, right? So the workplace of the future is here with vSpatial. This is going to be the future of work, as John Salovey says it. The future of work. This is going to be that ultimate technology which nobody in the world would ever think about, right? It's available on Steam, so you can just type in vSpatial on Steam Store. Right? So vSpatial on Steam Store is going to trigger the new virtual workspace. This is the one, vSpatial. You'll work like this, you'll work like this, you'll work like this with VR offices, they call it. That is the future, guys. VR workspaces. It's going to be the state-of-the-art workspaces, productivity, collaboration, a little bit of fun, right? Different monitors. You'll be able to work in Himalaya mountains. You'll be able to work in the Grand Canyon or whatever it is, right? So this is what it is. You'll be able to work as you play, immersive office environments on Steam, state of the art technology. I wish this was really. I was having a VR device. I have it, but anyways, it's in office. But typically, this is the best ever. I typically use it sometimes. vSpatial that can change the world, right? Anyways, thank you for taking this mind-blowing course from me, marketing legend, Srinidhi Ranganathan. I hope you enjoyed this short yet sweet course. All the best, guys. Implement even one technology from all these technologies to change your life, to change your world. You gotta take attention before the robots come for you. This is Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off. Bye.